And then after you're done doing multi-layer or doing uh, matching sa bahay na yan, kung isang bahay lang po siya, kailangan nyo yung i-select all and then click for grouping. Okay? And etong nasa likod, as you can see, hindi ko to kinapture kasi hindi po yan part ng bahay. That is a fence po and a pavement. Okay? So, hindi po yan natin kailangan i-capture. So, right after ma-match nyo siya, hindi ito kagaya nung previous projects natin. All we need to capture is 2 frames. And then the rest we can ignore. Hindi po ito kagaya nun. Okay? This is a demo project. So, all you need to do is to find or to check every frames. Okay? And as you can see, sa frame na to, unmatched. So, all you need to do is to click shift to adjust that label. And then, kung okay na, click F3 for the rest. Nga na-match na rin naman. Another frame. This frame, kailangan din natin itong i-match perfectly. And then, same goes here. Okay? So, gusto ko lang sabihin na lahat ng frames kailangan yung i-match and then lahat ng parts ng bahay, you also need to match them perfectly. Okay? So, for now, meron po tayong tanong. Any questions? Concerns? Violent reactions?
Boss, ano po yung speed na requirement natin?
Okay. For the speed requirements, we usually do not have a speed requirements for this tab because this tab is a demo project. Ito yung ginawa namin previously ng mga nakaraang araw, which is building repair and building attribute project. And then, as I said, this is a demo project. This will be our base or ito yung magiging puhunan natin para sa next na projects na papasok. Okay? Another example, if you encounter a building like this or an image like this, as you can see, ito separated to. 'Di ba? Separated building. So, pero wala siyang label. Pero, you do not have to capture that. Bakit naman? Hindi inyo yan target building. Yung target building nyo lang is yung may label na building. Okay? And this building lang yun. So, all you need to do, again, is to capture this building. So, gagamitan na lang natin to ng E. Select. And then fit. Sir, yung 3D nyo po, mahaba. Hindi importante yung green na 3D. Okay? And as you can see, pag nakakita kayo ng ganitong building, guys, huwag nyong ikakat sa gitna dito. Okay? This is a roof ridge. Hindi po iyan division ng bahay. Pero dito, sa part na to, this one is a division of the house. So dito, pwede natin itong i-cut or gawing separate yung label. And same goes dito. Bakit? Kasi kung titignan nyo po, merong linya dyan. And then ito, tuloy-tuloy yan, yung roof papunta doon. So this part is much lower than this part. And as you can see dito sa right frame, separate siya. Right? Meron dito ang linya sa gitna. Sa gilid dito. So that is a separate layer. So we need to capture that as well. And right after nyan, so capture na rin natin yung part na to. And adjust lang natin. Select. So, hindi pa po siya match. So, hindi pa siya match. All we need to do is to select, long press Alt, and then move or adjust the label. In that sense, magiging match na siya. So, pagkatapos niyan, select all, click for grouping. Punta tayo dito sa right frame. Click F3 to confirm. F3, F3, up, offset. So, baba natin konti. Paano po ibaba yung label? All you need to do is to select, long press shift, Tapos hatakin nyo lang. And then the rest, F3 na. Okay. So before kayo mag-submit, guys, kapag 3D matching, always press Control T to do topology check sa 3D matching. So as you can see, meron ditong error. Drag sidewall to correct bottom. So kapag merong drag sidewall to correct bottom, all you need to do is to click letter Y. Okay? And then pupunta kayo sa 3D mode. Sa 3D mode, gagawin nyo is to drag the sidewall or to drag the building into its correct bottom position. Okay? So since hindi nakikita yung wall dito sa left frame, hindi ko nakikita yung wall, nahihirapan ako, dito kayo pumunta sa right frame. As you can see dito, kitang-kita na may wall. Kitang-kita yung wall, right? So from here, select that label, long press control, and then i-drag nyo yung 3D itself. Okay? Dahil dito hindi naman siya kita, dito ako magde-drag. Pwede kayo mag-drag sa right frame. Okay? And then ito, kung hindi importante yung red, yung green na 3D, yung red po na 3D is more important. Okay? Yung red na 3D, napaka-importante niyan kasi kung mali yung pagkaka-red 3D nyo, pagkakagawa nyo ng red 3D, that will cause for all your maps to be pushback or magkakaroon kayo ng mass pushback. Mababalik lahat ng gawa nyo, walang bayad yan. So, dapat perfect yung pagkakagawa ng red 3D. Okay? Pero, yung green na 3D, wala kaming pakialam dyan. Okay? Kahit magkabalik-baliktad man yan, wala kaming pakialam dyan. Yung importante is yung red na 3D. So, wag nyo ang kalimutan. Okay? Pag mali, yung red 3D nyo, parang din kayo nagkaroon ng misbuilding nun. Ganun yung ka-importante yung red 3D. May clear? Guys? So, ito, papasa ko na to. Punta tayo sa last na example natin. Pero before tayo pumunta dyan, may tanong tayo. Any questions, concerns?
Wala, sir.
Okay. So, for the building, like this one, okay? All you need to do, kasi square lang naman siya, box lang naman siya, di ba? And then, as you can see, halos perfectly matched na siya. So, padaliin na lang natin yung trabaho natin and then i-cut na lang natin dito sa gitna. Mali. Cut na lang natin dito sa gitna. Click R to check kung meron pang parts. Meron pa bang missing parts yung bahay? Can you see? May missing parts pa ba? Wala.
May
Okay.
maliit, sir, may baba.
May maliit. Itong puti na to, ito ay missing part. Okay? Parang extension niya yan. Okay? As you can see dito sa right frame, dikit siya. Diba? So, yung gagawin ko is to capture that missing part na maliit. Kasi nga, ito ay kailangan dito is perfect or 100% yung accuracy rate nyo. Okay? Kailangan perfect yung pagkakagawa natin ng mga bahay. Walang missing parts. And as you can see, kahit ano siya, kahit ambiguous yung bahay, ambiguous means natabunan ng puno, hindi nakikita, may nakikita akong part dito sa likod, which is eto. Okay? And eto siya. So, all you need to do is to capture that part as well. And every part na yan is multi-layer. Baka yung iba dyan mamaya, iusog-usog lang yung label mismo, gawin lang siyang flat. Wag na wag nyo yung gagawin. Magpahinga na lang kayo kung ganun kayo magtrabaho. Okay? And then right after ko i-capture yan, pumunta kayo dito sa right frame and then para i-check every single frame kung nagmamatch siya. Again, i-check ha. Huwag i-confirm lang ng i-confirm. Kasi mamaya, hindi ko kayo matutulungan kung i-mass pushback kayo for doing wrong labels. Okay? Bahala kayo dyan. Drag sidewall to correct bottom. So, press Y. Select that label. And then do the red 3D for that building. And Y again para ma-off yung 3D mode. And then, try to submit. Okay, try natin kumuha sa sa mga big buildings. Excuse. Any questions for now, guys? Magtanong na kayo. Kasi mamaya,
Sir,
ayoko dito.
na-miss na-miss ko po yung sa Y boss kapag red wall. Kapagka nag-ask to drag yung to correct bottom,
Mm.
lahat po ba nung sa building sa yung sa mapa natin, kailangan i-drag yung red wall or kunyari yung isang part lang, yung main part lang or dapat lahat
Uh,
talaga ng layers?
yes, we need to pull every layers. Kasi nga, again, ulitin ko, this is a demo project. Hindi
Ano
ito
'to
kagaya
sir,
ng
dito magbe-base kung ano yung benchmark sa susunod? Parang gano'n?
demo
Hindi naman.
project nga yan. Demo project. Ayan yung
Oh.
ibibid nila sa clients na
Okey,
project.
okey.
Hindi iyan basihan ng benchmark. Basihan yan kung magkakaroon tayo ng project next month
Okey sir, sige.
or in the future. So, kailangan maayos yung pagkakagawa nyo.
Okey sir.
Hindi bara-bara, hindi bahalan na, hindi ko alam to, sige lang. Okay na to siguro, hindi ganun. So, kailangan sigurado yung gawa nyo. Okay? For
Okey
the
sir.
big buildings, tab 1824, for the 10 years na nandito sa tab na to, if you have a building na, wait lang, 24, tignan natin yung lakad. Okay, maraming autopasser. Bilis ng lakad eh. Para sa mga buildings na to, kung wasak yung label ng building mismo, okay, para mapadali yung buhay nyo, tab 1824 to how this is for the 10 years. All you need to do is to redraw that building. Huwag nyo nang i-adjust yung previous na label. Kasi mahihirapan lang kayo. And then, ibabalik yan ng reviewer eventually as for doing wrong para sa building na yan. Kasi as you can see, ito yung previous na label nung system. Okay? Sa label na to ng system, kahit ito, i-adjust ko ito, yung may mga parts siya na mahirap adjust. Okay? And then, iisa-isahin ko yan. So, ang pinakamadaling gawin dyan, delete that label and then redraw. Okay? Pagkakita nyo na ng top layer, pag nakita nyo na pala yung top layer, all you need to do is to lang press control, drag that label into its correct location, select, then press shift. Once yun nag-match, that is all good. Lahat ng layers na po iyan nakikita nyo sa top, kailangan po nating i-capture yan. Okay? Kasi iyan ay missing parts. So we need to capture all of those layers of the building. Okay? So padaliin natin yung buhay ko kasi medyo nakakapagod na to. Ituin na lang natin. Okay? So right after you captured the top layer, diretso na kayo sa next na layer ng building. Okay, which is this part. Labelan natin using H tool. Hindi ko na gagawing sobrang specific ng pag-training para sa 10 years kasi alam ko yung iba dito magagaling na. Okay, so hindi ko nasasayangin yung oras niyo para sa part na yan. Again, lahat ng layers na nakikita nyo sa bahay, i-capture nyo. Pero ayoko rin makakita ng mga 10 years dyan na sobrang buraot. Lahat ng linya, gagawin nila, ikakat nila sa ganyan. Hindi po puzzle yan. This is a building, not a puzzle. Kung hindi naman nakikita yung layer, do not capture. Okay? Pero for this part right here, this, as you can see, is a layer of the building. So we can capture this one. As that. Okay? Same goes para dito. Snap. F. Lock. Chest. And para sa kulang na part na nasa likod, again, snap. And then perfectly fit naman, so no need to move na. Para sa last part na to, again, capture natin. And group that label. Oh, may kulang pa. Okay. So now, group natin yung label. Click F3 to confirm. And check natin every single frame kung nag-match yung building. And kapag nag-match na siya, okay na. Isa pa pala. Kapag nag-match na siya, okay na. So now, you can submit your map. Any questions? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Ano?
Sometimes 'di ba sa ibang frames hindi nagma-match yung
Wala yun dito. This is a demo project.
okay.
Wala yun dito.
Sir, paano pag inagawan ka ng ng iba yung mo po?
I-delete mo na
Target.
lang. Anong gagawin mo pa dyan?
Ah,
Ilang beses ko
okay
na yun sinasabi before pa na i-delete na lang.
pag sir, pag wasak talaga, pwede i-report.
I-delete na lang.
Okay.
Pwede ko siya pa-verify sa 2-port.
Sino? Hindi, Herald kung ano ba lang na-verified, Herald, amo na lang na. Hindi nyo na napagtanduga. Kaya nga at 24, nagkabalong ako na big buildings ni. Pasalamat sila ganing wala di sila.